What's up, fellas? I'm back in Tennessee right now. About to whip up some coffee and go fishing for a little bit. I went hunting this morning and didn't have any luck at all. I came back and decided I'll take me a little cat nap or whatever. I woke up to the sound of a diesel truck sitting beside my truck. And I was like, I got my truck blacked out so you can't see in there. I peeked out and I could see a game worn truck. And I thought, oh sweet, cool, maybe he has some information on where the turkeys are. So I hopped out, talked to him for like an hour, and here I am now just making coffee for the morning. But like I said, he was a super cool guy. We got to talk about something that's really been on everybody's mind here lately is the population decline of turkeys. And it's something that's not just in my area or the southeast or whatever. It seems like it's across the board. And it's a kind of a hard conversation that we kind of all need to have to be able to govern ourselves on, because something's definitely happening. I don't know what is happening. I don't know I can't tell you the exact reasons why. It could be hunter increase, it could be predators, it could be loss of bigger chunks of land, disease. There could be a lot of reasons why that's happening, but it's something that we all need to address and talk about. But that's a conversation for another vlog, because this is a happy vlog and I'm about to make some coffee and then get after the fish. And hopefully we do a little catch and cook. But if I don't catch any fish, I got a Dutch oven that I'm gonna whip up some stuff in. And it should be a good day. This is supposed to be like a really, really relaxing, just not worry about a thing kind of day. So it's starting off pretty dang good. Pretty fired up about this, man. I haven't been fly fishing in forever. This dude heard me get in this Burger King bag and like come running at me. Watch him. He's gonna hurt me in a second. Better fish right here. No. I hope y'all saw that. I just recaptured this. Get him in the shallows here. Oh man. A little better fish. A lot better fish. Ah, dang it. That was a good one. I knew there had to be some in this little stretch right here, man. It's too It's too calm and too pretty right in here. I've gotten 2 strikes right here. Oh, God. Make that 3. Oh my gosh, what are you? Holy cow. Oh my gosh, that's a pretty fish. Look at that thing. That might be the prettiest fish I have ever caught. Holy cow. Oh, a little better one. He was hanging out right on that log right there. Oh! Yes, sir. Well, if I get this fish in, it'll be a good one to end on. He's a good little fish. Good trout. Oh, sweet. Stop, I want to let you go peacefully, not throw you down. That turned out to be a pretty dang good day. I caught probably 10 or 12 trout, smallmouth, but I kept a few trout, and now let's go back and cook them up. I hadn't decided how I'm gonna cook them yet. Maybe some fish tacos. I don't know. Yeah, that's a good problem to have. Catch you guys back at camp. I didn't realize there was a parking spot closer to where I wanted to fish at. So, walking down the road here. That duck is still beside my truck. Holy cow. Hey Fred, you hungry? Come here. Come on over here. Yeah, I know. Come on. Come on over here, Fred. I don't know your real name. We're gonna call you Fred today. Look at him. Oh, he's fired up, boy. Oh, sorry, I hit you with that double. I know, dude. I don't think this is real good for your cholesterol, but I forgot what it was like to catch that many fish. Another reason why fishing is better than turkey hunting. I said it. Like, what? Can you turkey hunt with a duck, friend? I didn't think so. He followed me around. He waited for me back at the truck. I came back and I fed him fries. What other hunting can you do that a duck waits for you at the truck? Let's go make some fish. I swear people in Publix are like overly nice. I don't know, I feel like everybody that I've encountered so far has been super nice. 2 rainbow trout ready to be cooked up. So, the plan is, I'm gonna throw a little butter and everything in there, get them seasoned up, wrap it up, throw it on the fire real quick. I need to get my fire started. Throw them on the fire, let those cook. I'll be cooking like my tortilla and stuff on my camp chef. And then once these are done, I'll pick the meat off of them, throw them in the tortilla with the lettuce and picante and all that kind of good stuff, and it'll be a good meal. Fish tacos. So I'm gonna wait for this to burn down a little bit, and I will put the fish directly on it, and I'll probably put some of the coals on top of it, but 15-20 minutes and it should be done. Doesn't take this fish very long to cook, and it'll actually get recooked again once I put it in the tortillas and heat that up as well. So, super easy way to cook fish, and trout is good just about any way you cook it. But fish tacos sounds pretty good to me. y'all don't know is this is actually olive oil. Fish, I think I'm pretty confident it's done. Just gonna give it a look though. Yes, sir. So what I'll do now is I'll pick all the meat off of it, put it on these tortillas with the rest of the stuff on there, throw it in this cast iron for 10-15 minutes, let it heat up, and I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. I really do. I've never done this before. Honestly, I saw a guy I watch on YouTube, Mav. I saw him do it, and I saw him do something pretty close to that, but I did not see fish tacos. So, and I figured, Tennessee, trout fishing, fish tacos. I think this is about to be absolutely amazing. Sweet baby Jesus. Bug, get off me, dude. Man, get away from me, man. Tell you what, I freaking hate it. Beetle, man. That right there is the perfect enchilada, taco, whatever you want to call it, a burrito. That's phenomenal. I know I keep just saying, man, that's really good. Man, I would 100% order that in a restaurant. I'm not a cook. I enjoy it every once in a while. I'm not very good at it. But I have to say, I feel like this one right here, I feel like I did pretty good. I think the second one was even better than the first one. But I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna finish this bad boy off, climb in bed, and do it all again tomorrow. Who knows? Might even do the same meal. But I'm afraid I'm gonna have to cut this video off. So if you don't mind, hit that like button and subscribe if that's something you're into. And I will catch you guys next week. One last thing. I feel like it would be just not right to not talk about what this shirt means to me. In Proverbs 3:5 it says, commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him, and He will act. And I feel like that's a really good testament to, like, no matter how hard your situation is, no matter what's happened in life, no matter like what life is doing to kick you while you're down, you can always come back to the Lord. If you do not have faith, I'm truly sorry for you, because without it, I feel like we're lost. And I want to be able to go out and show, like, fly fishing and hunting and all that kind of stuff too, but what kind of Christian would I be if I didn't tell you guys that, like, trust in Him and it's all going to be okay. No matter what happens in life, it's all going to work out in the end. And sometimes we don't understand God's plan, and there's been a lot of situations where I wondered why God did certain things. So me and my family have been going through a good bit here lately, and sometimes it's hard to just have faith and just go with the flow. But Bible verses like that remind me that, like, He's got us. no matter what happens in life, he's gonna have us, and we have to trust him. So I hope you guys have an amazing week. I will catch you guys probably from Mississippi somewhere. So catch you guys next week.